You want to see a progression along that learning curve where they are making advancement and kind of, putting those notes to use, putting your coaching to use, and actually executing on it and making it mean something.
Exactly, exactly. And sometimes they're coming up with areas of interest that we might not have thought about. Like, well, did you think of this differently? Or maybe we've been doing a process that may have not been efficient. They come up with a better way to code it, right, to make it more faster or efficient. So those areas where they can come in and even provide some ideas that maybe we weren't even thinking of, right? Over time, right, as they progress. So that shows us like, all right, this is maybe a better way of doing something that we didn't really think of doing.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, and I also like your mention of coachability. I know that, or being a sponge. A lot of managers look for that, not just in analytics, but really across the board.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So staying with that theme, as far as somebody who's coming new into the industry, or just new maybe to working and all that. Personally, I'm very optimistic for the coming year in data science hiring. I'm seeing some early signs that maybe could indicate some good things. What about you? What's your outlook on people that are looking for jobs now? Trying to get some sort of foothold on a data team. What's your outlook for the next year?
I think when I'm looking at job opportunities online, data analytics, data science are like some of the top ones.